What if your AI assistant actually understood your job, not just your questions? Most people are using AI like a search engine. They type something in, they get something back, and they hope it's useful. But that's not how the best AI works anymore. Here's the real problem. Generic AI is built to do everything, which means it's not built to do your thing really well. It doesn't know your industry, it doesn't understand your workflow, and it doesn't know what matters most in your role. So you spend time cleaning up its answers, re-explaining your context, and wondering why it keeps missing the mark. Sound familiar? There's a smarter way. It's called role-based AI. Instead of a one-size-fits-all tool, role-based AI is trained and designed around the specific tasks of a particular job or profession. Think about a teacher who has an AI that already understands lesson planning, student progress, and grading, not just general education facts. Or a doctor whose AI assistant is built around patient records, diagnosis support, and clinical workflows. Or a business owner whose AI handles scheduling, follow-ups, and reporting without needing a manual every time. That's the difference. The AI isn't just smart, it's smart for your role. So how does this actually work? Role-based AI is trained on data and scenarios specific to that profession. It learns the context of the tasks. It learns the right language. It learns what good looks like in that role. This means it can offer solutions that feel intuitive, not technical. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. You just need to show up and do your job. The AI handles the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Who builds these systems? Now, building a role-based AI isn't the same as a typical tech project. It's not just developers writing code. You need data specialists, subject matter experts, and real-world testing, all working together, refining the system over time until it actually performs the way the role demands. It's less about flipping a switch and more about carefully teaching the system to think the way a professional thinks. Big takeaway. Here's what this means for you. AI is no longer just a tool for big tech companies or research labs. Role-based AI is already being used in healthcare offices, schools, customer service teams, and small businesses like yours. And the businesses that understand this shift and move early will have a serious advantage. At Evox 365, we help small businesses and teams understand exactly how AI fits their role and how to start using it without the overwhelm. If you're ready to move from generic AI to AI that actually works for your business, visit evox365.com/workshop and join our next AI workshop. The future of work isn't just about having AI, it's about having the right AI. Let's build yours.